Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to evaluate this log equation, and we're going to do that by applying this log rule. This states that if we have a log of a number to a particular base, then we can rewrite this as the log of the number divided by the log of the base. The great thing about this rule is then we can put in a new base and we can choose any base we like. But I think in this problem that won't be necessary. So let's, for now, just rewrite this log 5 divided by log 8 multiplied by log 2 divided by the log of 25. Now 8 is on our 2 power table and 25 is on our 5 power table, so we can rewrite this as log 5 divided by the log of 2 to the power of 3, and this is multiplied by the log of 2 divided by log, and 25 I'm going to rewrite as 5 to the power of 2. Now this second rule here allows us to take the power down in front of the log. So we can now rewrite this as log 5 divided by log 2, but with the 3 brought down in front. And likewise over here we get log 2 divided by log 5 with the 2 brought down in the front. It should now be obvious why we did that, because we can cancel. Log 5 here cancels with log 5 here, and log 2 here cancels with log 2 here. So we just end up with 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. And that, of course, equals 1/6. And that is our answer. Did you get it?